So what's up guys, this is Dimantha 457 here. Another review. This time it's gonna be a smartwatch I brought to you, yeah. As usually, you know I am of the budget type, so yeah. Chinese smartwatch is right here. So let's start from the top all the way to the bottom. They say GSM system 85 850 over 900 and then 1800 over 1900. I don't know the means. Well, next up they have maximum support 32 gigs, which shows that you can put an SD card inside this. And also moving into the smartwatch pic itself, they have WhatsApp, Twitter, WeChat, and some penguin thing that I don't know. Out at the bottom, yes, the price is 2,850. The bottom they say plus 12 hours into 380 milliamp hour battery. To the back, it's basically the range of colors they have: red band, black body, black band, white body, then gold body, black band, blue band, black body, and then black band, black body. So that's what they have here. And they smart the product. Yep, Chinese. Yep, full screen touch. I don't think it's full screen. You see full screen over here. Yeah, according to their screen, yeah, full screen, but they're not the full screen. Anyway, rich smart application, built-in powerful smart app. And then have hardware parameters over here. You can take a look at that. I'm not gonna read it. Well, say 1.3 megapixel camera over here, and yeah, 380 milliamp hour volume battery, 32 plus 32 MB, support 32 GB maximum storage card. I'm just gonna read those. You have the barcode, you have the label made in China right at the bottom. Now let's open it up. And yes, you get it neatly packed up right here. Got a small battery which is of 380 milliamp hour. Yep, put that aside. And then you have the charger cable, which is a common micro USB port over here. And then you have the usual Chinese, which way is it? I don't know. This way? Yeah, it's this way. Okay, so this is the Chinese side of the instructions, and then you have the other side. Please read manual before use. They have everything you need to know about it here, all written in 3 pages. Let's throw that away. And now you have the big deal. You have a, whatever you guys can call this thing. Yes, it has an opening over here and it's closed over here. Yeah, throw that away. And here we have the watch, which is like a basic watch. Yeah, so let me take my watch, just not a basic watch. Yeah, so this watch, and then you have this watch on the side. It just looks like a normal watch with a plastic back. Just gonna throw that shit aside. And so we had to open this thing from there. There you have it. Take a look at the inside of it. You have the SD card slot, and then the SIM card slot, and you have the place to put the battery. Yeah, that's where you put the battery. So this battery just goes inside like that, and voila, you're done. Close it, and let's turn this thing on. Okay, that's pure Chinese. So yeah, that's how it's going to show you. So let's look at the apps they have. It's trying to connect using Bluetooth. I don't think it's going to happen because, okay, let's go to the apps. You have, okay, we know connection failed. You have Notify, you have Bluetooth, you have the alarm, you have the audio player, and then you have BT Music, BT Search, Calendar, and voice recording, I guess, at SND Rec. Motion sensors, file manager, dialer, Find Me, anti-loss, image viewer, I guess, messaging, a pedometer, remotely control your camera of the phone, reminders app, sleep monitoring, phone book, call logs, and then they have a barcode for you to, how do you go back? Okay, I'm just gonna have to go like that. You have a barcode for you to scan. Oh, that's how you go back. You have to swipe it from the left, and then you have the settings. You have a calculator. You have a calculator, mini calculator on your watch. Facebook, Twitter, browser. They have the Chrome app and they call it browser. They have WhatsApp, power saving mode. You can turn it on and off, and you have the camera. So the camera is actually over here. So when you're taking pics, you're gonna have to look at it through that, and then I'm just gonna put my hand up over here. See, you can see my hand. You'll be facing front before you do it. Let's take my phone up there and show it to the cam. There you are. Say 1.3 megapixel camera on this phone, not the phone, I mean the watch. So okay, let's go home. Those are the basic options you have given to this smartwatch. Now you can manually connect this to your phone if you need to. Go to Bluetooth in your phone. Let's go over there, go to Bluetooth, turn it on, and well, mine has it as smartwatch, so over here at the bottom, smartwatch. Where the hell did it go? Okay, let's turn it on. Start again. Smartwatch, where are you? Smartwatch. I'll see it connect. It says connecting. It's going to take some time, and you get it connected right here. So you have to go and install an app if you want the smartwatch to get all the notifications. They say sync date and time with remote device, which means, well, you see the time they had was 12 in the morning something. Now it's 7:39. So yeah, if you have a different time setting in both, you can sync it. So I'm just gonna select yes, synced. See a Snapchat message. Okay, so you're gonna have to install this app known as BT notification. That's the app you're gonna have to download in case you want your notifications from the phone over to your watch, and then you get this notification over here that it's connected to your device. So now it's connected. Let's try to send a message over to the watch, and let's see what will happen. I'm just gonna send a random text to one of my accounts. I don't need to. Look at that. Well, there you are. Okay, you get your notification like that. You can view it, or you can cancel it any way you want to. And yes, this thing has a speaker in it, so we could be listening to music. Let's take it over and let's listen to some music. You can control it from the phone itself, or you can take the phone and then go to BT Music, and then you can get a song that you need. Just press the play button and it starts playing. So I'm at a mid volume over here, 67. I'm all the way at 100%. This has quite a great speaker for a smartwatch, yeah. And also I told you that you could remotely access your camera in the phone. So for that you have to go to remote over here, and then you get the camera app open on your phone, and there you are. So just look at the screen over here. It's using its picture from the camera of my phone. There you are. Okay, now that that's done, there we could go to call logs and get your calls over here. Once like that, it's almost like a normal phone, but then it's on your hand, it's on your wrist when you use it. Notify actually shows all the notifications you got. See, options, you can delete it if you want to. Then audio player, you have to apply a SIM card if you need to use the browser, yeah. Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp, and then also for the others you have to insert the SD card. So I still haven't, but then I kind of feel like I don't need to apply a SIM card or a SD card into this, because actually it's synced to my phone and then I use my phone a lot. Well, for me actually the smartwatch is quite convenient. I don't have to reach my phone always for everybody's notifications. I could just go check for who gave me the notification or not. And yeah, there was another feature that I forgot to show you, which is, yeah, this is basically your home screen. Like you get the dude running, you get the time, and you get the symbol of music, the battery level, the day, the month and the date. And you can just swipe to the right, swipe to the left or the right, I don't know. Okay, swipe to any side, I guess, and you get the apps. So later you can press on that and press it again, you get the analog screen. You have 3 watch faces for this. One is this, one is this, and the other one is this. So you get 3 watch faces in it, and you can swipe from right to left. You can get the watch to work, yeah. So that's all I gotta say for this video, guys. Make sure you go down, like, subscribe and comment. Yes, the price again is 2,850 of this, and yes, by a few more days I'd be putting up a video of a budget collection or a budget setup of mobile devices that I have. So stay tuned for that, and always turn those post notifications on. We'll see you next time. This is Dimantha 457 saying adios.